two-headed vipers to human-faced sharks. These critters put the extra in extraordinary. But are any of these mutations going to give the X-Men a run for their money? How about creatures with extra limbs, double brains, and Freddy Krueger? Here are the top 8 most shocking, deadly, and incredible mutant creatures. Number 8, Freddy Krueger fish. All right, we're already off to a terrifying start because this guy is literal nightmare fuel. Sporting a look inspired by horror icon and professional dream demon Freddy Krueger, this fish terrified some local residents in southern Thailand. But it's not the Springwood slasher making an admittedly inspired style choice, it's a toadfish. They use camouflage to protect themselves from predators. In this case, the predator is Jason, I guess? And they're considered a delicacy in many parts of Southeast Asia. But beware, as toadfish range from mildly to highly poisonous. Only the most experienced chefs can even think about preparing them. So stop thinking about it. Number 7, two-headed viper. They say 2 heads are better than 1. Just not for these guys. A two-headed viper is a rare conjoined serpent found in western India. And when we say two-headed, we mean it has 2 esophagi, 2 tracheae, and 2 snake brains. This means you've got a set of disgruntled twins sharing a heart and 1 set of lungs. These 2 have trouble making sudden movements, especially when evading predators. Maybe they'd have better coordination if they stopped fighting each other. Just a thought. Yep, these rare creatures are famous for their sibling throwdowns over who gets to eat and swallow their prey. Pull it together, guys. What would your mom think? Number 6, four-armed frog. This next creature is unique for more than just its extra set of arms. It's considered a deity. Some residents of northeastern Thailand pray to this four-armed frog, hoping it might bring them good fortunes. Scientists discovered that this fascinating mutation results from an error during reproductive cell division. When the genetic code gets scrambled, it throws off the production of proteins and enzymes in the frog embryo. Number 5, cow with 6 legs and 2 tails. Many people believe this bull from Vietnam is a set of twins, but the jury's still out on what caused this peculiar mutation. A similar case in India revealed dicephalic parapagus, a rare type of conjoined twin. This happens when an embryo for twins doesn't divide correctly and on schedule. In this case, it should have occurred 14 days after conception. Usually, this results in stillbirth, but this lucky little bull is thriving thanks to some backup from loving farmers. Number 4, two-headed turtle. Just like the two-headed viper, the two-headed turtle has the bad luck of being permanently attached to its annoying sibling. In addition to having independent heads, X-rays reveal they often have distinct gastrointestinal tracts. But they share a spine and have trouble moving in sync. But when push comes to shove, they can put the drama aside. Swim tests revealed that the two-headed turtle coordinates its timing when popping up to the surface for air. Sibling goals right there. Number 3, human-faced goat. Like the four-armed frog, this little goat from India has risen to divine status. Experts speculate that this goat suffers from cyclopia, a rare congenital disability causing issues with facial symmetry. The calf is unable to make a sound due to impeded vocal cords, but that hasn't stopped it from making an impact, with local residents coming to worship the amazing creature. Number 2, human-faced baby shark. Did you think those were all the animals with human faces? Think again. Just like the goat, this shark from Indonesia suffers from cyclopia. Because the front portion of the brain didn't split properly, the wonky division between the left and right hemispheres leads to these distinctive mutations. Because this condition is so rare, most studies of these mutations are done in utero. And number 1, Cyclops cow. Cyclops is the leader of the X-Men, and our list is no different. This one-eyed cow from northern India is also in the Cyclopia group. No surprise there's so many on the team, as Cyclopia occurs in 1 of every 16,000 animals born and 1 of every 250 embryos. This calf wasn't off to a good start, but thanks to a growing following due to its miracle status, the calf is getting fed and cared for by devout followers. And if that didn't satisfy your fix for the strange animals, check out our other top 5 lists on the weirdest and grossest creatures on Earth. We think these mutant creatures are in a league of their own, and that's what makes them crazy creatures.